Hello friends, welcome to the Mascotkin Labs. In today's video, we will see how you can scrape the data out from any website whose elements or tags are not accessible easily. For example, I was working on this website for one of my clients. So what I saw, they provided me the credentials to log in into this website. So what I thought initially that I would simply log in it using Selenium, and it will automate the website, and afterwards I'll scrape the data out from this website. So let me show you what exactly I want to scrape. So this website basically provides automobile parts of all the brands available in this world. So my client wants to get the data out from this website. So let me show you what data he wants. For suppose I selected this brand Volkswagen and chooses Beetle 2018 model and saloon. So there is all the details available related to that car, like engine details. You see on the right hand side, fuel, exhaust, cooling, gearbox, all the details are available. So if I try to scrape this data using Beautiful Soup or try to automate it using Selenium, the tags or the elements of this website are not accessible, although they are available here. If I go to this, the XPath is already available, but the data I can't scrape it. Okay, so let me show you how exactly you can get the data. So to get the data, you basically go to the network tab, okay, and just refresh it once so that all the APIs come here on the right hand side, and do remember to select this fetch XHR. So here on the right hand side, you need to find out, you need to do a little bit of research from your end to find the data out from these APIs. So suppose I go to data, I selected this, and there are so many other links. Okay, you can check them out. So yeah, you can see this data cat meta. If I see the in data, it's written over there car brand Volkswagen. Yes, it's a Volkswagen uh, brand car, and catalog entry. So uh, yeah, it's not even over there, the data. Okay, let's move to the next. No data. Okay, so if I go and check this, total 90. You see the similarity 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So same here 1 2 3 4 7 6 8 9 0. So if I go to point 1, and here also 1, uh, links values, 1 is engine. Yes, 1 is engine. Yes, I'm very close, I guess. If I go to 2, 2 is fuel, exhaust, cooling. Yes. Let's go to the next one. So 0 0. So this is gearbox data. So yeah, it's there. You see subcategory subgroup, sorry, 0 0. So it's subgroup 0 0, 300 015. So how you can get the data out from here? Just copy, go to this API, click right click, copy, and copy URL to bash, and go to Postman. It's taking a while to open. Yeah, just go to import in Postman, and in raw text paste what you have just copied, continue, and import. Now when you press send, you have status 200, okay, and you have all the data in your hand. So you can get the code from here. Yeah, Python, you can select the language in whichever language you want. So this is just a basic trick you can use in your scraping tasks or scraping projects. And I just hope that I have added some information to your current skill sets and you like the video. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and yes, please comment down if you want anything else or any other video to come in the on this channel. And thanks for watching this video.